Healthcare BPO brings significant support to medical institutions, staff, and organizations. Commonly outsourced activities of healthcare BPO includes coding, billing services, transcription, data processing, and phone or chat support. In most cases, access is one of the first measures patients have against their expectations of your brand promise. When patients call their doctor's office, the last thing they want to deal with is a bad customer support. Healthcare call centers can respond quickly to patients, reduce the burden on administrative staff, and improve the patient's experience. So, why is the healthcare contact center important when it comes to the patient's experience? A healthcare call center helps ensure every patient is set on a positive path. Patients today have options. They can always find another provider. That is why, on the phone, every interaction must be perfect. If patients have urgent need, they should get an appointment the same day. A quality call center will work with patients to make sure their experience is positive. In the healthcare industry, every phone call is important. Companies that fail to train employees could deliver bad customer service and not able to meet patients' expectations. Now let's discuss the most important benefits contact centers bring to the healthcare industry. The very first one is improved access to patients. The second one is increasing patient satisfaction and retention. The third one is improved scheduling convenience for patients. And the fourth important one is reduced cost associated with healthcare support. So what are the common challenges of healthcare professionals? For many physicians, the biggest pain points are their daily practice management issues and challenges such as lack of staff. They simply don't have the number of administrative staff to efficiently operate. Even on the clinical side, it is difficult to manage. Healthcare call center support can take a burden off both the sides. It is truly a win-win situation for physicians and the entire practice. The patient experience is crucial among 90% of healthcare executives. In most cases, access is one of the first measures patients have against their expectations and your brand promise. So what are the most important activities of healthcare BPO? The first activity is medical coding and billing. Hospitals and healthcare professionals process tons of medical records every day. Unlike other industries where coding and billing is a reasonably straightforward activity, medical coding and billing can be complicated. That is why you need specially trained staff to deal with these records. Without the right knowledge and expertise, you will face significant delays and errors in processing your patients' bills and records. To prevent any coding and billing hiccups, healthcare outsourcing comes into the picture. As professionals, healthcare business process outsourcing teams are well equipped with the necessary resources to do the job accurately and efficiently. This lets you focus on tasks that matter to your organization like medical research, patients' treatments, and care. The second activity done by healthcare BPO is claim processing. Processing patients' claim is a critical healthcare activity. Patients need to have proper medical claims for their insurance companies. But when there are hundreds of claims to be processed every day, it's difficult to maintain accuracy on every single one. To ensure the patient's claims are in check, it's smart to outsource claims processing to a third-party service provider. With appropriate resources and manpower to do the job, specialized teams are allocated to process large volumes of medical claims. Also, as this is the only task they will be focusing on, you can expect a higher accuracy rate in claims processing. The third activity done by healthcare BPO is data processing services. In addition to treating their patients, healthcare providers have to process and update large volumes of medical data every single day. Managing and processing data is a tedious job, but healthcare organizations have large volumes of data to take care of. For example, test and lab reports. The second one is prescriptions and drug inventory. The third one is patients' insurance details. And the fourth one is other hospital records. Outsourcing data entry activities will help you free up time and resources for your other core healthcare activities. While data entry is usually the safest activity to outsource as it's relatively simple, remember to outsource it to a proven healthcare BPO. Now let's discuss which are the major outsourcing destinations you should consider. Now when it comes to selecting destination of your healthcare service providers, there are various countries you can consider. These countries include India, the Philippines, Mexico, and Poland. However, these markets have become matured and now healthcare companies are actively looking for emerging markets to get cost effectiveness and operational excellence. When you are looking for an emerging market with advanced BPO facilities, the first name comes is Kosovo in Eastern Europe. If you are considering outsourcing for your business, I recommend considering Epic Service Solutions for your company. The company is based in Kosovo, specialized in business process management. The company is owned by experienced professionals in a range of industries. Epic provides a blend of functional expertise and process capabilities. Their solutions help you to maintain stability and competitive advantage in this volatile market. If you want to watch more videos about outsourcing and offshoring, then make sure to click here on this link. In this video, I will take your leave and I will see you in the next one.